To reserve a printer, go to the class LibGuide and scroll down to Step 2, Reserve a 3D printer. Click 3D printer reservations, or a shortcut is to click the photo of the printer. That will take you to the calendar. Now type in the password given to you by the instructor. Remember that capitalization matters. Click Open. Now select the day that you want to reserve a 3D printer for, and then click anywhere on the day. Type in your full name. If the All Day button is clicked, make sure to uncheck it, and then choose the time that you want to reserve the 3D printer for, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now make sure to include some extra time at the beginning and the end for setup and cleanup. Now click in the box that says Select or Type and choose the printer that you wish to reserve. You'll see that there are 8 printers. So I'm going to try number 1, click Save, and it's done. Now if this particular printer, number 1, were already reserved, you would receive an error message, in which case you just select number 2 and on down the line until you find one that's available. You can also access this calendar to check to see which printers are reserved and which may be available.